So here's a real fun audio effect called Shifter. So we're going to listen to a drum beat without Shifter on, and then we're going to put Shifter on to see what it does. Okay, so let's just put Shifter on. We'll just enable it like that. And what we're going to do first is we're going to set it to pitch mode, and we're going to move the coarse pitch shift section here, and that's all. And then we're going to maybe try to move the fine tune piece. Let's move fine now. If you click wide, that will change the thing to spread. Okay, now let's play with the tone feature, and we'll just bring wide down a little bit like that. That's super cool, but what I really like is frequency. So let's go and have a play with a frequency, and we'll just switch wide off here. So if you can just listen closely, you'll hear the kick being quite prominent in the beat. But if we just move a coarse down a kilohertz, the kick is gone. This is a good way to get rid of a kick from your beat, but obviously it's shifting the frequency a little bit to the left. We can actually move it to the right there. We're going to add some delay effects, some feedback there, and we can increase the drive, and reduce the dry wet, so we just see how that sounds blended out. It sounds amazing, doesn't it? So listen to this with the fine section like that. Let's go back to pitch mode and get that wide. So now we've got the wide on top of the original signal because the dry wet is quite down, but we're going to bring that coarse all the way down and that tone all the way up. Switch delay off and coarse all the way up now. Now let's take a listen to ring.